Facing the WhatsApp error, something went wrong with your chat history on your Android phone? Don't worry, this video will guide you through the solution. This issue often happens when there's a problem with restoring or accessing your chat history, usually due to corrupted data, incomplete backups, or permission problem. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Free up some space. You often face this problem when there is no free storage left on your phone. So go to your Files app and free up some space by deleting unimportant files. You'll need to free at least 1 GB of space for this to work. After clearing the storage, restart your device. Now when your phone restarts, check if the error is showing or not. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp cache and data. When there are too many files saved up in your WhatsApp, you'll face this error. So tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called storage and tap on it. After that, tap clear cache. And with that done, tap on clear data. Now you will be into the manage storage page inside the WhatsApp app. Find and open any of the chats and select all the unnecessary files, images, and videos. After selecting, tap on the trash can icon in the corner. Select delete. Now repeat this process for all the other unnecessary chats. After that, restart WhatsApp and see if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp. Outdated app versions can lead to compatibility issues for WhatsApp. Go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp. Now if you see any updates available for WhatsApp, simply update the app to its latest version. After the update, the issue should get fixed automatically. But if you don't have any updates available, try the last solution. Solution 4. Reinstall WhatsApp. Doing this will make you log out of WhatsApp, so be sure of it before doing this. Now tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Tap on uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation. Then go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, install it from there. After the reinstallation, open WhatsApp with your credentials. And just like that, the error is gone. That's how you can fix the WhatsApp chat history error on Android. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this.